Hello, and welcome back to Mighty Machines. Today we will cover the mind-blowing chain installations and processes. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our next uploads. Once that's done, let's start right away with the first machine. The PWAG Group, or also known as the oldest chain manufacturers in the world, has been providing excellent solutions starting from the 15th century. Even after many years, they have continued to provide high-quality products and services paired with passionate and dedicated employees that are constantly in pursuit of outstanding services and complete customer satisfaction. In this video, you'll see one of their most useful innovations, which is the chains for extreme mega tires. Tires carry a lot of the vehicle's weight, and this impact caused by enormous weight can actually damage or completely destroy the tire. When that happens, the company and operators face massive losses, thus making tire protection as valuable as other processes. However, the protection doesn't just come easy. The tires need to be clothed in chains to lessen the impact and give a better grip, especially in very challenging terrains. The material used in this massive $60,000 tire is called a chainmail sheath. Whenever you want to travel the world or just go to another country, city, or state, the safest way to go there is through air travel. Although the majority of the travel is on air, jets and airplanes still make Up next is the Profile Plus, a French company known for excellently removing and replacing tires even from large trucks. Their process is very amazing and organized. First, a cushion underneath the tire is inflated so that it lifts it from the ground. Then, the tire is latched to the truck to maintain the lift. Once it's all set, they use a machine that helps them in the removal of the locking components of the tire. As easy as that, the tire from this monster truck is removed and ready to be replaced. When talking about tires, it is important to mention Head-Weld Tire Handler. In this video, we will talk about their TireLift TH15000 workshop tire handler, which was designed to act as a maintenance tool during removal and installation of tires. As the name suggests, this machine is perfect for a workshop environment where compact design and minimal impact on the regular operation of the mining workshop is appreciated the most. Aside from that, this is also a fully self-contained remote-controlled diesel/hydraulic unit that is able to work with tires and rims that range up to 15,000 kilograms. Finally, let's talk about the Eco Extractor 63 from Eco Green Equipment USA. This is made to aid in the removal of stainless steel beads from mining tires. This has been like a celebrity among the similar products in the market since the Eco Extractor 63 can extract pure beads from enormous mining tires and even from the 63-inch rim ones. Some of its amazing features are its reverse haul design and remote operation, which easily makes it the world's quickest and most cost-effective way of removing mining tire beads. That's all for mind-blowing processes and chain installations. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments section what you want to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss out on these amazing machines. See you in the next video.